Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl here, Ella. Yay! If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Over here, I talk about all things law and I share my journey with you all wanting to become a lawyer out here in Canada with my UK law degree. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for riding with me through this journey. I really appreciate you and your presence. If you have not done so, please remember to subscribe, like this video, share this video after watching. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or comment on your favorite part of the video or comment on how beautiful I'm looking today. It's true. We can't say it's a lie. It's true. We must acknowledge the truth. And what else am I forgetting? Turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post my videos. On this channel, we're not giving legal advice. I'm just simply sharing my journey with you all. Currently, I am a master's student in the GPLLM program at the University of Toronto, the best university in Canada, the best and #1 law school in the country. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you about the UofT career counseling services that is provided to candidates in the GPLLM program. And for those of you who don't know, GPLLM means Graduate Professional Master of Laws. Yes. Part of the reasons why I decided to go with UofT was because of their career counseling services, and our current career counselor is Erica Bailey, who is amazing. So I'm going to be talking about some of the work that Erica does and that career counseling provides at UofT. Just to let you know, this is my personal experience, so this video is not about anyone else's experience or what anyone else has experienced. It's not a paid promotion of anything. It's just about me as a candidate and what I have noticed about the career counseling at the University of Toronto. Also, this is based on my experience from my first semester there. So I've completed my first semester, which is from September to December, and this is what I've experienced with the career counseling wing of the program. First of all, through Erica's help and others on the team, we receive regular updates about the NCA, which is the National Committee on Accreditation, where, if you want to become a lawyer in Canada, you have to go through the NCA in order for you to get a certificate of qualification and then begin your licensing journey in whatever province. So we get regular updates about the NCA. We've even had a webinar discussion, Zoom, with one of the, is it executives or so? Someone that works in the NCA, very high position anyway. She was able to speak with us last year through the help of Erica. We laid our complaints to her. There's a lot of us who have issues with having slow responses from the NCA, and we're able to kind of get that resolved by just having that conversation. I mean, I put in my complaints over there because I was waiting for a response from the NCA to confirm my courses for about 2 months or so before that Zoom was had. She apologized for it and mentioned ways where we can go about resolving that situation. Having things like that is very beneficial, just because if you're on your own dogging out the NCA by yourself, you might not always be aware of certain updates that they have, but it's great to have Erica out there who's looking out for candidates like myself. So yes, having regular updates about the NCA, if any process has changed, what candidates should know, it's very important. And this is part of what the career counseling does for us, because hey, we're trying to be lawyers out here as a career. Anyways, we also get regular updates about the LSO, which is the Law Society of Ontario, the particular province that I want to get my legal license from. We learn about licensing exams, the barrister exam versus the solicitor exams, what that entails. I also learned to start calling it licensing exams instead of just calling them the bar exams, because that is the language of the LSO, apart from other than the regular language of, oh, I have bar exams coming up. No, you have licensing exams. You're either writing the bar exams or the solicitor exams, because you're 2 licensing exams. We learn about the experiential training, so either you go through articling or the LPP, or for those people who are already qualified lawyers, they can apply to be exempt from either the LPP as a law practice program or articling. So we learned about that. We were also given different options. So for example, when the LSO was holding up virtual events for NCA candidates or people in general to learn about the LSO process, Erica brought this to our attention, and it was something that we could attend as well. So these are some of the things that the career counseling helped us do, or that has helped me in the past semester of being a GPLLM candidate. Another thing that career counseling does is we get the opportunity to work with Erica Bailey. You're going to be hearing me mention Erica a lot just because she's our go-to and she's our career advisor. She's able to talk with us about our dreams. The journey thus far helps us with our resume review, if we have any jobs coming up, legal mostly or non-legal, and she's able to review your resume, give you corrections, review your cover letter. There's also tons and tons of resources that they've had over years on like resume workshops, cover letter workshops, how to look for articling rules, what employers are looking for. Sometimes you have people from these firms actually come and speak with students. I've attended mostly the virtual ones. I've never been able to go in person. Hopefully that will change this year, those kind of networking situations. But yeah, just having someone who has helped other students before you in the past, having a second eye, review your resume, review your cover letter, bring out the best that maybe you're not seeing in yourself was really, really good for me. And that's something that Erica was able to help me with last year, reviewing my resume and me taking on the corrections for future possibilities that I'll be applying for in the future. Now, if you also have certain roles that you are thinking of applying for, you can share that with Erica and then they can help you navigate that process. And fingers crossed, maybe if you're invited for an interview, she can also help you provide guidance through that process. Another thing Career Counseling and Erica does is they hold different webinars, resume workshops, cover letter workshops. When there's on-campus interviews, there's always things going on. Like we have so many emails in a day, which I'm not going to complain about, but we have so many emails in a day, but it just shows how helpful the school is and how much you can take advantage of anything. They are very, very responsive as well. If you have issues, if you have questions or concerns, it's like pretty much easy to get a hold of Erica. And if she's unavailable or maybe her office hours are fully booked up, you can always reach out to her and then she's able to create a space for you, for both of you, that works. Another thing that comes with career counseling is also squeezing with the GPLLM program team. So as NCA candidates, we have to ensure that we're actually fulfilling our NCA requirements. So something that they do is inform us regularly about any updates with NCA courses. So once you get your NCA reviewed and you get your assessment, we send it to the GPLLM team and then they're able to review this to make sure that we are actually enrolled in those courses that we are supposed to be taking. So career counseling, GPLLM program, they work hand in hand just to make sure that we're actually utilizing this degree to the best possible way. Another thing that career counseling does for us is job postings through UTLC. We go into UTLC. This is also where we access all our resources as well. How to write your resume, how to do your CV, how to convert your international degree transcripts into a Canadian equivalency for a Canadian employer to understand. We get all those resources on there. We also get job postings, so things that you might have not seen anywhere else. They are in UTLC. People who are hiring for articling positions, summer students, whether first or second year summer students, which also apply to GPLLM program candidates who may be able to apply for those roles. So yeah, we have job postings on there as well. There are also great opportunities to attend different networking events, like I said, in person or virtually. And this is all provided through the career counseling services at the University of Toronto, Faculty of Law. Jackman, Faculty of Law. I think Henry Jackman, Faculty of Law. I think that's the new name of the actual law school. Finally, they have fireside chats on different actual real life topics. So you have things about managing your legal career with your family, transitioning from law school into becoming a lawyer, the realities of internationally trained lawyers. People come and they share their experiences and we're just able to listen in. Sometimes you might be confused with what you're doing. You might not even know what's going on, but just listen to someone else that has gone through the journey like you from a different walk of life can make things easier for you. And then through that, you're able to gain more connections, connect with people on LinkedIn, maybe go out and grab a coffee. Yeah, these are some real things that have helped me in the last semester through career counseling, and I thought I'll come and share that with you all today. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section for me. I like reading comments. I like replying to comments. I don't know, I really like it. Or if you're just going to tell me how beautiful I am today, leave that in the comment section as well. That's the truth. If you've sat down and watched up until this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor before you leave this channel today. Subscribe, like, share, turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post my videos. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful, amazing day. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye. Ciao. Bye.